it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Hobby Lobby haul for you guys. I know I don't buy too many things at Hobby Lobby. Usually when I do, it's just like supplies, like basic supplies. But I normally prefer the Dollar Tree for all my little decorative things. But I got some good deals and some things I haven't been able to find at Dollar Tree, and I'm excited to show you. First, I want to say, if you are looking for like the black and white buffalo check, my Dollar Tree had, or Dollar Tree, I'm so used to Dollar Tree. My Hobby Lobby had some, but some of the things, one of the ladies there said that they have actually been out of them since September. So a lot of the things like the ribbon and stuff, like the wider ribbon, I haven't been able to find Dollar General. They've been out for a long time. So if you want it, you better try to go find it ASAP. So all the things I bought today were almost all the things I bought today were pretty much the buffalo check kind of things. So let's just get started in no particular order. So this, guys, I just could not. Oh my goodness, look at this. So we are going to do on our table, I'm going to do a black and white buffalo checked table runner, and it's from the Dollar Tree. It's just a scarf. I can't wait to show you that in a video coming up. And then I'm going to do the red place settings and everything. So anyway, so the dog's bowl is like really close to our kitchen table. So I thought, how cute would this be for the dog dishes, right? So it was, I can see there, $9.99. I did use a 40% off coupon to get that, and so that was kind of my splurge. I just couldn't help it. I just wanted it. It was so cute. So I'm excited about that. Plus the dogs are always making a mess, so I bought two of these. This is in the black and white buffalo check. Now these are placemats. All of the Christmas stuff was 50% off. So they were $3.99. So that means that I only gave $2 for them. I bought two of them for a DIY. So stay tuned for that. Now if you've been around my channel, you might know what I'm going to do with them because I've done something similar before. So let me comment if you know what it is, right? Okay. So I got those. I bought these. These were not buffalo check. I bought these for a Christmas gift. And now I went trying to figure out what I wanted to do for my nieces. I've got 3 college-age nieces, and I wanted to do something for them for Christmas. And you guys know that my father-in-law recently passed away. That was their grandfather. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use my Cricut and heat press. I'm going to get ask their moms for like a birthday card or a picture of a birthday card or something where he had written their name. And so I'll either do it in his or their grandmother, which passed away, their great grandma who passed away last year. Anyway, I'm going to use that and put in his or her handwriting the name of each of the girls on those. And these will be good. They can just take them, like I said, they're all college age. Choose in college, one's not, but I thought especially the ones in college would be good to just, carry books or whatever, and the other one will use it for all kinds of other things too. And I actually got her something else too. So anyway, that is what I got. Let's see, I got 3 of them. Oh, and then I did get an extra one that I got for my son's girlfriend, and I will do something similar with that, maybe in my son's handwriting or a loved one if I can. But anyway, just some something like that. So anyway, what else did I get? Oh, and then I did get some of this buffalo check. They did not have the wide, but I got it, and it was $4.99, again, half off, so $2.50. But it is 30 feet. So I didn't think that was too bad because this is not from the Dollar Tree. This is not from Hobby Lobby. This is from Dollar General, and I haven't been able to find the white and black, but I did find the red, and it is only 9 feet for $2. So and again, it is smaller. It's not as wide, but I'm still thinking this is probably a pretty good deal. And I thought, I have not been able to find the black and white. I like this one. It seemed to have, it's a wired ribbon, which I really like because it stands up, and then it kind of has almost like a fun edge. I don't know. I just thought it was pretty, and I couldn't find the other ones from at Dollar Tree or Dollar General, either one. So I picked it up at Hobby Lobby. Now the last 2 items I bought, I really thought long and hard. Do I want to get this? Do I not? And let me show you why. Because I bought in the red and the white, the wrapping paper, and I was so excited about this. Again, it was $8.99, but it was half off, so there were only $4.50 a roll, and there is 100 square feet. Now, the Dollar Tree does have, it's very similar. It's a kind of a triangle instead of, is that glaring too much? Can you even see that? I don't know if you can see it without the glare. But it's very, very similar. I like it. It is from Hallmark Expressions, and it does have 40 square feet. Now, when I saw this, I almost didn't get it because I was like, well, I was thinking this was like 25 square feet, and then it would have about the same. But I hadn't been able to find it. Now, after I bought this, I went to a Dollar Tree that had one roll. Just one. That was it. So I'm not upset that I bought this and paid a little bit more for it. I do like Hobby Lobby gift wrap. I think it's thicker than Dollar Tree, although this is made by Hallmark, so it is a good brand. But you know, and I went ahead and got it again because, well, it's similar. It's a little bit different, and I think it'll look good. Just mixed up in it. And if I find any more of these or in any different colors, I'll probably buy them too. But I went ahead and bought these because besides this, a lot of wrapping paper, and I'll be able to do a lot of wrapping, but I'm able to do a little bit of DIYs and things like that. And again, I didn't think it was too bad of a price for it. So yeah, so I got those. So anyway, guys, that is all I bought at Hobby Lobby today. Again, not too many things, but they had so many cute things. Be sure to stay tuned because I'll have more like little pictures and video throughout my trip on my weekly vlog this week of where I went, so I'm really excited about that. But yes, they just had so many cute things. I love Hobby Lobby just to get ideas and things like that, even if but some of the things, guys, were really the same thing as Dollar Tree, so make sure you're checking because you don't want to overpay, and they do have some very, very similar items. Sometimes they're even the exact item. So be sure to watch out for that, and be sure to watch out for the wrapping paper because it is a little bit cheaper. But anyway, I'm super happy with all the things I got, and I can't wait to share with you what I do with them. So stay tuned. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.